Hello children, welcome you in bio class. Children, now I am going to teach you dark reaction of photosynthesis. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is also called biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. This dark reaction of photosynthesis occurs in the stroma by a series of enzymes. So the reactions occur in the stroma is a series of enzyme catalyzed reaction. Molecules of ATP and NADPH2 produced in the thalcoids are grain of the chloroplast used in the stroma during biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis or dark reaction of photosynthesis. Children, the path of carbon fixation in dark reaction occurs through intermediate compound, and it was worked out by Kelvin, Benson and their co-workers, and for this work Kelvin was awarded by Nobel Prize. Therefore, this dark reaction of photosynthesis is also called Kelvin cycle, and it is also known as Blackman reaction. Children, this assimilation of carbon dioxide in plants occurs in two ways. One is C3 cycle and other is C3-4. In the C3 cycle, Melvin Kelvin discovered that after fixation of carbon dioxide, 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid was formed. Therefore, it is called C3 cycle. As I told, it occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. The primary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 cycle is ribulose biphosphate. So ribulose biphosphate is the primary acceptor. This is the ribulose biphosphate that is primary acceptor of the electrons. It accepts the electron in the presence of enzyme that is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. There are 3 major steps, distinct phases in the Kelvin cycle, in the C3 cycle. First is carboxylation, second is glycolytic reversal, and third is regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. Carboxylation. So what is the carboxylation? Fixation of carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, which is also known as Rubisco, into 3 carbon compound 3 phosphoglyceric acid is called carboxylation. So children, you see there is a reaction ribulose biphosphate, that is the electron acceptor. It will accept the carbon dioxide, and this is the enzyme Rubisco. Full form of the Rubisco is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. 3 phosphoglyceric acid is produced. So carbon dioxide reduction starts with 5 carbon compound ribulose biphosphate. It is a 5 carbon sugar and it has 2 phosphate groups. 3 molecules of ribulose biphosphate react with 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and produce 3 carbon compound, that is 3 phosphoglyceric acid. Now next is glycolytic reversal. So what is the glycolytic reversal? Children, glycolytic reversal, that is the reduction. In this reaction, reduction of phosphoglyceric acid by using ATP and NADPH2 occurs. 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. Further, it will reduce into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. So children, by utilizing ATP and NADPH2, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is reduced into phosphoglyceraldehyde. So this reaction is called glycolytic reversal. Now third reaction is regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. Children, for the Calvin cycle to run continuously, there must be sufficient amount of ribulose biphosphate which accepts carbon dioxide and regular supply of ATP and NADPH. After a series of complex reaction, 5 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde, 3 molecules of ATP result in the regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. Thus, there is production of 1 molecule of glucose in the glycolytic regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. There is production of 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of ribulose biphosphate. So this I told major steps of dark reaction of photosynthesis. Children, you watch video, try to understand. If you understand, then you like and subscribe it.